brother. Look at all the leaves on the floor. Carpet's filthy. Are you getting my shoe?
Yes.
There, get your brother. Bring him here. Bring me his leash.
Someone's got you, buddy. There she goes.
Bring him back. Casey, bring Bucky here. Casey, bring Bucky here. Bucky, bring Casey here.
Did she get her run over then?
Yeah.
Don't really want to encourage that, but...
No, but it's cute.